So you're ready to create your first online course. You haven't got any sales yet. So how do you create an online course for free? Let's take a look in this video today, and what we're going to be looking at is each phase of the course creation process and some tools that you can use for free. Now, if you're new to this channel, each week I do put a new video up about course creation, so hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button so you are notified of new videos. Let's take a look at how you can create an online course for free. Now, I put the course creation journey, or the steps in course creation, into 3 different phases. And those 3 different phases are design, create, and launch. Okay, you can move through them fluidly, but we can put the course creation journey into those 3 major phases. And then we can break those down even further. So we can say in the design phase, we do our research and we do our planning. In the creation phase, we record and edit videos, and we also write our content, whether they are activities, workbooks, text-based lessons. We write or we record our videos. And then we launch, where we publish our course and then we deliver it to the market to sell it. So this is our journey, the steps through course creation. Now, sometimes we might find that we move between them. We might design a little bit, create, launch a little bit, then come back, continue designing. And that's a whole different story of what I talk about in my Agile course creation videos, which you can take a look in the description below. I'll put the link in. But for this video, we're looking at each of these phases. What are some free tools you can use so that a whole entire course creation journey is free and you can create an online course for free? So let's take a look. First, we're going to have a look at design. So here, when we're designing, remember this is the research phase. Use Google. Use Answer the Public, an amazing tool where you can see what people are asking online and what are some really important keywords. And finally, Facebook. Go into Facebook groups. Go into your Facebook page yourself and your friends and search on there. Search in Messenger. And these are some free tools here. There's many other free tools you can use when you are planning and researching your course. If you want to see some more free tools you can use in this phase, then download my 37 free tools you can use to create an online course. And I'll put that link in the description below. So let's move on. Still staying within design, what are some free tools you can use to plan? Now, this is when you're creating your curriculum. What are some ways that you can plan that out? And so you can use AirTable, something that is a database, or you can use it more like a spreadsheet as well, if you like, to start to plan what each of your modules will include and what each of your lessons will help your students to achieve. You can also use Google Sheets like what I do. And if you haven't yet downloaded my template, which is your course curriculum template, which is in Google Sheets, then click on that below in the link as well, where you can start to create your curriculum using a free tool. You can also use Miro, which is a free tool as well, and it allows you to do mind mapping, and it allows you to create flow charts. It allows you to create so many different things in Miro. And what's better about Miro than Google Sheets or Airtable is that it's visual. Okay, so if you prefer to see your curriculum in more of a visual layout, then Miro is for you. If you like to have a database where you can move between the modules fluidly, then Airtable's for you. If you just want a clear list of everything that you're going to deliver and maybe a checklist to mark it off, Google Sheets is for you. Okay, so they are our design phases of how you can research and plan and what free tools you can use. All right, let's go on to create. So what are some free tools you can use to both record and edit your videos? Now, this is different platforms. So first of all, OBS Studios, which is what I'm using now. OBS Studios allows you to record your videos. Loom. You can also use Loom to record your videos. There's a nice way to quickly record your videos. If you do have a free Loom account, you can only do a 5-minute video, but they might be some nice short and sweet videos. Sometimes I do both. Sometimes I do OBS videos. Other times I just quickly record a Loom session and pop it into a course or send it to a client. And then to edit, you can use Davinci Resolve, which is a free platform. I use ShotCut, which is a free platform as well and is very similar to Davinci Resolve, and there's a lot of other platforms as well you can use for free editing. You can use online platforms as well. So again, check that out in the 37 free online tools PDF, which you can download from the description below. Okay, staying in Create, we're going to go to Writing. Now remember, the writing may be when you are writing your text-based lessons, when you are writing a scenario-based activity, when you are writing your workbooks, your activity sheets, basically anything that's text-based, okay? No matter what it is, if it's PowerPoint slides. So you can use Canva, which is really, really popular to create workbooks, to create activity sheets, to create PowerPoint presentations, anything really in Canva. The world's your oyster. Then you can take that PDF that you've downloaded and put it into PDFEscape. And in PDFEscape is when you can create a fillable PDF so that your students can download the PDF and fill it out. You can also embed that PDF into your course so they don't even have to leave your platform and they can just fill out the document online. And also Google Slides. Now Google Slides is really great if you want to display a presentation, but Google Slides is so underrated for online courses. You can create a scenario-based or a branching activity using Google Slides. That is a whole other video as well, and I'll pop that down in the description below of how you can use Google Slides to create an interactive activity. Okay, let's move on to, I think what you've all been waiting for is the launching stage, which are the free tools to publish. And already we've got popped up here, Teachable. Now Teachable has a free version that you can use, and likewise Thinkific has a free version that you can use as well. What I like about what Thinkific has is that you can use their free version to publish your entire course and market your entire course. You don't need to upgrade. Of course, if you want to have some more popular features or if you wanted to have more than one course, you will need to upgrade, but you can do your entire course for free on Thinkific. It's not a free trial, it's literally a free version of the entire platform. And there is also NewZenler as well that offers a beta trial that you can use, but then they also have a free trial and then you will have to pay to upgrade. But if you wanted to check it out, you can have the free option. And the free tools for market. So now we can talk about how you would market your course by using MailChimp. So you've built in an audience, that audience sits in MailChimp, and then you can send out automated emails to them via MailChimp. Likewise, you can market on YouTube where you might have a bit of your course available online. And if someone wants to continue with that course, they can click in your description. For example, if you would like to know how to design your online course, or if you would like to know the whole journey of design, create, and launch, check out the description below for the courses that I do offer. And finally, PayPal. At the end of the day, you will need a way to be able to take payments. Both PayPal and Stripe do not have account keeping fees, but they do take a percentage of every single payment. So you can have a look at what is better for you, PayPal or Stripe. But as I said, both of them are a free option for you to use because there's no monthly payments, but there is obviously a commission that they do take on each payment. Okay, so that is some basic tools on what you can use to design, create, and launch your online course and do it all for free. Now remember that there is many more tools that you can use, and I've compiled them into a list of 37 free online tools you can use to create your online course. Click on the link below in the description so that you can download that and finally create your online course for free. Until next time, happy course creating!